Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I am testing out some new watercolors. These are from the company Grabie. There's 12 colors in this set. It is marketed for travel, so there's many things that come in here. These are student grade. It comes with a travel brush and a little pencil, sharpener, eraser, and a cute little pouch. Put that on the side. This is the little navy pouch that it comes in. And then this is your standard tin with all the colors. And it does come with a really nice swatch sheet. So your colors are, let's see here. We have the lemon yellow, cadmium orange, cadmium red, rose, ultramarine, purple, cerulean blue, sap green, burnt umber. There is a red copper, which looks like burnt sienna, Payne's gray, and white. And some of my favorites were the lemon yellow and the Payne's gray. This looks a lot like indigo. Those are definitely two of my favorite, and you can see how vibrant the colors are. And I also did this little swatch sheet here so you can see how transparent they are. And then this one's a little white one over here. It's a little hard to see. But yeah, they look really nice. And it also comes with a little card here with some information and their website. And on the back, you can feel free to use your markers or your watercolors to fill that in. And there's a little teeny tiny eraser, the little sharpener. There's a little pencil here. It does come with this fine liner. You know what, this I did not test out, so let's see here. So that's really skinny. That one. And then this brush is really, really nice. It twists, and then you can stick it back in there and close it up and put it right. It doesn't fit in the actual watercolor set, but it'll fit when you put everything back in your pouch. But yeah, this is a really cute brush for anyone who likes to paint on the go. It comes to a nice point there. It's nice and soft. And it also comes with this little notebook of watercolor paper. And it is sealed at the top. So then you have like a few of your little sheets here. And just as an example, I did a small floral here, and then I just had the swatches on the bottom. You see this paper has, you can see the texture. But yeah, overall the flow was nice. The colors bled together nice because I used two different shades of green here. Even though it only came with the sap green, I mixed some indigo together and got that deeper shade of green. So they blend really well together. Overall, I think this would be really great for beginners, which it is geared for. Those are new to your watercolor journey, and everything is included here in your set. In the description down below, I will list some information for anyone who is interested in this set. And that is all for today's quick review. I hope that you did enjoy it. And feel free to check out all my other videos. I have lots on watercolor, gouache, and journaling. And I'll see you next time.